The Top Gun allows you to declare war on dirt and grime inside and outside of the car. The pressurized air cleaning pistol swirls the air about at high pressure and lifts the dirt through the ensuing suction. In the discharge funnel is a ball bearing mounted aluminum hose which produces the swirl effect. Even parts that are difficult to reach are cleaned quickly and effectively through the swirl effect. Get to grips with stubborn stains such as yellowing from nicotine on the roof interior or road salt residues with the appropriate Würth cleaning agent. The air or cleaning agent feed has a continuously variable regulation, which can also be adjusted during operation. Strong in performance and economical in the use of cleaning agents, Würth's Top Gun cleaning pistol is the ideal partner for car cleaning and care.